like the Annie song says, the sun will come out tomorrow. We are back on the road. We are in Arkansas. Welcome to Arkansas, YouTube. If you're not never been here, neither have I. We are like halfway through Arkansas. We're doing pretty good. A lot of driving, a lot of cruising, but man, look at this. Look at that TRD. That looks so good. I absolutely love it. We definitely are gonna need to do the wing. I kind of also want to do the rear lip as well, all in one video. We are on our 13th state, 13. I don't think we've been in, we were in New York before we got this car. Some of them, we weren't in that. But we were in 13 states, absolutely amazing.
We're on our way to the 14th, which will be Texas. That is our end goal today. That's what we're making.
14th, we're gonna make it to Texas. We're going to a place called Tyler and Hutto, Texas. But windy, weather's been crazy. Car's working fine. I'm really happy with everything. I mean, it starts up fine every day. It seems to be okay. I did have a brake issue, and then the cruise control on the last video when I fixed it, it doesn't work anymore. So it must be shorting a fuse or something. So I still need to figure that out. But the big accomplishment is we got one TRD side skirt, and I love the TRD side skirt.
One.
We got one, just one. At like our 20th gas station. Believe it or not, Ella did all the math on this. It's pretty affordable. I think I'll be able to drive across all of America for like, what do you think the total cost will be? $2,400, $2,300?
Yeah.
With hotels like 2,300-ish, 2,200-ish, which is really good. I actually have driven over 1,350 miles on this, and gas has only been 190 bucks, 180 bucks? $190. Pretty good.
$4 a gallon.
And I still have and it's been about $4 a gallon, and I still have like 3/4 of a tank right now. So we're actually gonna head over to Tyler, Texas right now. We're at a pilot gas station in Arkansas. Celica's been really good. Things that, again, a couple pro tips. One, the Celica is a fantastic road trip car because it gets such good gas mileage, and it has a stock exhaust, so it's actually pretty quiet. One of the issues is if you do take a Celica, when you put like the kit in here like I have, and you have the back seats down, it does make a little bit more road noise. So I think I do want to maybe take this stock wing off and put the TRD wing on and put the lower lip on. And I'll do probably like a how-to video while we're on the road. Maybe in this video, I don't know. Maybe next video. Or we might just drive all the way back to Washington and then do a proper, really good install. The side skirt turned out really good. Again, 3M tape right here, and then it's an OEM fit, looks really good. These wheels gotta go, these brakes gotta go, the exhaust gotta go, the supercharger's gotta go in. 173,000, 172,000 miles on it. It still has good pulling power. These are just totally, the biggest issue with my car right now is these are the wrong wheels. They're too wide. They're too big, and the offset's just dumb, and then the brakes are bad. So I really wish I could get new brakes on it because the brakes have a lot of rust on them right there, and I just can't wait to clean that all up so it's a nice, smooth sailing, easy drive when we get back with the supercharger. But let's get back on the road. I'm doing it, I'm making it happen. Oil's good, coolant's good, battery's good. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Good little trip. Pretty good, pretty fun. Let's get into Texas right now. Maybe next clip will be in Texas.
Get in!
This is like majority of what the America looks like. We've been passing all this. It's been pretty good. Only a couple of spots of traffic, but man, we've been just cruising along. Honestly, most of the people, we just sit so fast. Everyone just drives in America like at 100 miles an hour. Like normal cruising speed is 80 to 100. Pretty amazing. So I'm so thankful I have the 6th gear. Makes my life so much easier. Definitely recommend the GTS. Super happy. Beautiful day to be out road tripping a 2005 Toyota Celica GTS. Glad we're not stuck in that traffic. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, we did it. We made it to Texas. We went through Texas, Arcana. It which is Texas and Arkansas. I just learned that today. Everything's pretty good. I'm tired, been driving, been killing monsters. I mean, I'm happy, everything's good. What else is there to say? Road tripping across America. I think this is day 4, maybe 4. We're gonna hit Tyler, Texas, and then we're gonna stop in this place, like right outside of Houston, Austin. And then from Austin, we're gonna head back up. We're gonna go to Albuquerque, New Mexico, Salt Lake City. I probably should do an oil change. One of the things that did I tell you guys, oh yeah, the last video, the wheel fell off. The lug nuts all around, see you guys, all the lug nuts? They put OEM ugly ones on there. That and the toe was $368. Wow, that sucks. Other than that, everything's been smooth sailing. Clutch transmission feels really, really good. I mean, it feels really good. I don't think I'm gonna change any of that stuff when I go put the supercharger on. I think I'm just gonna literally just bolt on the supercharger and do the body kit stuff. We got the 1 TRD side skirt installed on the side of the road. Yeah. I got the rear lip. I probably want to take the wheel off and put little drills and do the rear lip the right way. And then got a wing, same thing with the wang. Probably do that. So let's keep on going. I like the gas station. I feel like I'm in the Flintstones. We're at Sefco, and the gas is under $3, $2.98. Let's get in the car. These roads in Texas, are so nice. Look at this, just beautiful, smooth sailing. I'm enjoying myself. I mean, look at one more time. Look at this sunset right here. We're riding the Toyota Celica off into the sunset.
Don't mind all the bugs.
In Texas. It's beautiful.
Okay, I made a little chart, and some of you guys might have seen this on his Instagram story, but we started up in New York.
Mitch _Dore.
You can see it right there. I tagged him in the photo. But we started up in New York, and we just wanted to show you just how far we've traveled because it's a little bit outrageous. But we dove through Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware, Virginia, and we're trying to head south to North Carolina. Sorry, it's a little jumpy. Then hit North Carolina to pick up the car, of course. Let me see, right there. And then we dove south. We spent the night in Atlanta. Then we went way south, almost to Mobile, Alabama. And then the tire almost fell off. And there was a massive flood down here because we were planning to drive the coast. So then we headed back north, and we were supposed to cut over to Texas, but instead we went and picked up car parts way up north, almost to Tennessee, cut into Tennessee and all the way through Arkansas, and now we are in Texas. We're about to pull into just outside of Austin. This is only one leg of our trip, so I'd say a part of it was coming from New York to pick up the car, and then getting to Texas to visit family, which has been like 4 days. Like 4 days and over 1,000 miles. 1,600 with no cruise control. And then we still have to drive 2,000 home. So just wanted to show you what we got our state count. I'm trying to get all the photos, but it has been an adventure all for the Celica. Oh yeah.
We are like right by Austin, Texas. I am exhausted. I did nearly 1,000 miles today. It was a lot. There's a helicopter going by. But I'm gonna wrap up this video. I feel very accomplished as the helicopter's going by. This is a great road trip car to drive across America. Great gas mileage. You get a 6-speed for the fun. They look cool. This one's kind of cool, but kind of not cool. Look at this side, and then come over here. And then it looks like it's missing. So dorky. But we'll be back. Next video, we're gonna try to probably make it to like Albuquerque, New Mexico. Do some more road tripping. This is amazing. When we get back, We're gonna put it up on jack stands, do an oil change, do brakes and rotors, new wheels and tires, TRD kit, MWR Monkey Wrench Racing supercharger kit. We'll get it dyno tuned, and yeah, I'll fix some little things on it. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Come back for more Toyota Celica GTS content or just Toyota Celica content. I think I do pretty good, so make sure to hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video.